हाय फ्रेंड्स, हम आज मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग का कुछ इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं। थैंक यू। व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एन इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर एंड इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर? तो क्या है आंसर इसका? देयर इज नो फंडामेंटल डिफरेंस बिटवीन एन इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर एंड इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर और डायनामो. In normal use, all motors behaves as generators and all generators behaves as motors. DC motor act like generators because they use less electrical energy. When allowed to spin fast, DC generators act like motors because they become easier to spin when less electrical energy is drawn from their terminals. ठीक है. For example, connect two small DC magnet motors together. Then if you spin the shaft of the first motor, the second motor shaft will start spinning too. One acts as a DC generator and the other acts as a DC motor. Alternatively, spin the second one's shaft and the first one will start spinning. Another example, if you connect a small DC motor to a small battery, then an electric current will appear in the motor coil and the motor starts spinning. However, if you spin the motor shaft slightly faster than the normal speed, the direction of current in the circuit will reverse and the battery starts taking in energy from the motor. The motor has become a generator and it is recharging the battery. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ आर द न्यूमेटिक सिस्टम एंड द हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम सिमिलर? Pneumatics use gases such as air or nitrogen. Hydraulics use oil or water. Both systems use pressure to act on a specific application. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ कैन आई सी वेयर पाइप्स आर बिहाइंड द वॉल्स? तो इसका आंसर है बाय यूजिंग रेडियो वेव्स. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, व्हाई डू द रेडिएटर्स इन योर हाउस क्लिक व्हेन यू स्टार्ट द हीटिंग सिस्टम? तो इसका आंसर है, दे आर क्लिकिंग बिकॉज दे आर हीटिंग अप. द हीट कॉजेस एक्सपेंशन एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू हियर क्लिकिंग. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, हाउ डज ए सुपरचार्जर वर्क इन ए कार? तो इसका आंसर क्या है, ए सुपरचार्जर इज यूज्ड टू इंक्रीज the volume of air dragged into each cylinder per stroke. In combustion engines, there are only really two ways to increase power. Firstly, increase the amount of fuel in the engine. Either increase the displacement or add more cylinders, or increase the amount of air in the engine. Superchargers are powered by the engine's crankshaft, which is connected usually by a belt drive. This rotational power turns a fan, which sucks air into intake manifold, similar in effect to turbocharger with reduced lag. However, superchargers takes more energy out the engine, so swings and roundabouts. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मच इज 1 kilonewton in kg? A newton n is a measure of force while a kilogram kg is a measure of mass. Therefore, any number of kilonewton does not equal any number of kg. This, however, is usually 1 newton equal to 1 kg into meter second to the power minus 2. F is equal to force, m is equal to mass, a equal to acceleration. G in case of acceleration due to gravity equal to 9.08665 meter per second square. Mass equal to force by gravity equal to 1 by 9.08665 equal to 0.11 kg. तो हम आज इतना ही डिस्कशन करेंगे. थैंक यू and please subscribe my channel and share my channel.